Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your love reading, you versus them. Alright, so let's see what do you have for this reading. What are the situation you are in, what kind of blockages you are getting, and what will be their next step and your step as well. Alright, so let's start. For my Sagittarius, please, let's see. For those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, now so let's start. For my Sagittarians, what do they have? So at the back of the deck, it's the Knight of Rods. It's your energy over here with the Chariot. You might be dealing with a Cancer. So I'm feeling that you both want, the energy is very enthusiastic. The energy is very much, moving on kind of energy. You both want the same things. You really want to move on with that person and with this relationship, whatever this is. We'll clarify, but this energy is actually going towards the height. But the main problem with the Knight of Rods is that they don't stay. They really love like getting into a relationship, whatsoever this relationship is, but they don't love to stay. All right, so let's see. Alright, so how are you looking them is the Two of Cups. So you are looking them as your soulmate, as the reflection of yours, where you both have the same likings. You both have, you have met a soul, the same soul like you are. That is how you are looking this person. This person is true to you the way you are true to them. That is how you are taking them as, feeling them as. And how are they looking you? They are looking you towards you with the Nine of Pentacles. Very stable, very beautiful, very intelligent, someone who can take a stand, someone who is very career oriented, not just a talker but more of a doer kind of energy. So what is the blockage? Okay, so let's first clarify this Two of Cups over here in your energy. What is this Two of Cups over here? Justice, and I will take this card. Eight of Pentacles. Okay. Queen of Swords. Okay, so you might have, not you, they might have said something to you very cold-heartedly. I'm seeing that, this is something that you really like this person a lot, but when some problems arise, they don't see that who is in front of them. So that might be a problem, because they might have showed you that they are how they are very much blunt, and they can say anything. Howsoever, you both might be same soul kind of people, but still they don't think before they speak. So that is why you are actually you are looking towards them. You might be dealing with a divorcee or a widow, because with this card it's more of that person who has dealt with a lot of stuff. That person might be dealing with in court as well right now, because they might be getting divorced, they might be getting some issues solved. So they have seen a lot of stuff in their past. So that is why this might be an issue. But the main thing which you really like about this person is they love their money. Whatever they do it with full concentration, and you like that thing or them. Sorry. Let's see, what is this Nine of Pentacles in this side? Why is this Nine of Pentacles here? Why is the Nine of Pentacles here? Okay. Page of Wands, Four of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. So they really feel like, you know, you are meant for them because they love the independent work, the way you have brought yourself up after whatever you have been through, whatever. But the way you have become now, they really love it. They really want to start a family with you. They want to offer that cup of love, that offer of love to you, because their love is now overflowing. I think that, I don't know why, for some of you this is an old person who, you know, there was some kind of issues between you, both of you, and now this person sees you as someone very independent, someone, you know, who might have a self established person. Now this person sees you like that, and that is why they really want to come to you. See how passionate this person is for you now. But you know this, see how this is such a similar card, like how this person is offering this, from the cloud this person is offering this cup, and again from the cloud this person is offering the cup. But the difference is here that this person is not accepting the cup. So it might be you who might not be accepting because they have hurt you in the past as well. For some of you it is an old person only, not a new person, and you really have dealt with this person. You have been through a lot of stuff with this person because this person hurt you a lot, because they actually see you as someone who, you know, who is very independent. But this person doesn't know how to talk. When they talk, they really don't see, they just talk from their mind. They don't see how it can affect. You really like this person, I see that, but the way they behaved with you, you don't like that. So let's see what is the blockage. Is the Two of Swords over here. Let's see why is this Two of Swords here. Okay, Page of Pentacles. What else do we have? What else do we have? Okay, so many cards, sorry. See, Justice with the King of Swords now. First it was Justice with Queen of Swords came, and now Justice with King of Swords with the Eight of Pentacles. So actually, you know, the main issue is, I really feel that they really want to work with you now. They really want to offer a very stable, they are coming with a very stable offer. They might start slow, but they really are like just messaging you, just getting to know how you are doing and what you are doing, that kind of things. But they really are interested to talk to you and to work on in this relationship now. But it's you who are now being that kind of a person like they were, because with the Justice with the Queen of Swords, and here Justice with the King of Swords. So they were like this before. They were the ones who just said a lot of bad stuff to you, and now it's your turn now. You know, you are going to make them taste the medicine of whichever they made you taste. Okay, all right, so let's see the actions from your side. Ten of Swords. This card is Ten of Swords. I'm seeing that you are ending, or let's see what else do we have. Ten of Swords. Why is the Ten of Swords here? So many cards, sorry. Okay, so King of Pentacles came first over here. So you're very mature. You have, okay, so Ten of Swords also came up over here again. So this is some kind of ending, it looks like, because now you have become very mature. You are done with this person a lot. Let's see what else. The Strength. See how you love yourself now, that actually, because your self-worth has now, you have now realized your self-worth. Finally, this person is back in your life, or a new person might be, but it's more important that whosoever this person you are dealing with, new or old, if this person is not talking to you the way you deserve, the way you talk to them, the way you make them feel, how, no matter how much you love them, it's a question of self respect. Okay, so that is what is coming up in your life again and again. They might be now telling you sorry, because this is a sorry card as well. So they might be saying sorry to you, that, oh, I'm sorry I did that to you, I did wrong stuff to you. But no, you cannot do that thing at first place only. How can you just do that? No. So what are their action? Six of Pentacles. I really feel that they are offering you that love, that loyalty. Now they might have cheated you. For some of you, it might be something which was really not acceptable to you. So now they are offering that loyalty as well, that faithfulness, that love, that they are offering you more love now basically. But let's see. Eight of Swords. What else do we have? Okay, so it's coming Eight of Swords and Six of Wands. So they are offering you that thing, that whatever this is, I am really sorry, let's just move on. Because they actually, there is a hidden aspect in this thing. Actually, the way you have grown up, the way you have just become now, it's really, applauding. So they really see that because of you they might also find such success. Like people will also start knowing them as well, the way they start knowing you. For some of you, obviously, and for some it's like that, they are just, for some of you, I don't know why they are coming back, but their intentions are not so good. I think for some of you it might be revenge as well. They really are coming for some kind of revenge. I don't know why I'm getting those vibes. So at the final outcome is the Nine of Wands. It's like you're not going to accept this offer, I'm seeing. It's more like, I'm blocking you, please. That shield is now down, that you are guarding yourself, that please stop, this is the area, and after that you cannot pass this line. That is how you are guarding, see, shielding yourself. Let's see, why is this Nine of Wands clarified by Nine of Wands? So double shielding now. So let's see once again, what else do we have? What else do we have? What I'm getting, that you are tired of their lame excuses, their sorries again and again. You are tired of that thing. You are tired and you just want rest for some time. You are like, it's done. But let's see once again. One more card, please. What is it? Knight of Pentacles. See, I just said that lame excuses, and Knight of Pentacles is the hit in that thing. Knight of Pentacles is the one who is really, who is really famous for these kind of things, who knows how to come and offer that sorry. Oh, I'm sorry, I cheated on you, I know that, I'm sorry. Okay, you said okay, fine. Then again they will go and they will do it again, they will come back again, they will say I'm sorry. So you're tired of this sorries now basically. So that is what I'm seeing, that you are not going to entertain this kind of a person. Okay, so that's all, Sag, from my side, and I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.